Last but not least, let's welcome the graduates of Social Networks and Human-Centered Computing SNHCC program, Dr. Gaddisa Olani Gamfre.
Dr. Gaddisa Olani Gamfre is from Ethiopia. During his studies, he worked on the design and implementation of machine learning models for data access performance and security under the supervision of Dr. Yuanhao Zhang and Dr. Wei Kuanshi.
Welcome SNHCC program representative Dr. Gaddisa Olani Gamfre.
As a closing remark, on behalf of the graduating students of SNHCC program, we hope that Academia Sinica continues to prosper, and I wish good health and success to all faculty and the members. Thank you so much.